So, whether you're a student or an independent filmmaker like moi, you've probably thought about getting a MacBook, probably for Final Cut. Final Cut Pro is a wonderful video editor, so you probably thought about getting this for Final Cut for editing on the go. I won't blame you, it's a real good experience, but it's not that bad of an option if you're not really on a specific budget. I've been using the MacBook Pro 13-inch, the one that just came out, for maybe a week now. I've only done one video on it, and that was the video before this one. I would just whip that up. What you get inside the box as soon as you open it up is the thing itself. I'm pretty sure you get the charging cord and stuff like that. It's actually USB Type-C, which is really good. Really good, by the way. Charges instantly. What I didn't know, though, that some of you filmmakers might want to watch out for, it comes with two USBs on the side over here, and then a headphone jack over here. So, also pick you up a USB-C to USB adapter, and also pick up a USB-C to SD adapter if you're doing that option. From a student standpoint, this thing is perfect, no problems. From a filmmaker standpoint, it's okay. There's definitely a couple of things that would make it a hassle on the go, but it's not that bad. I would definitely go for the bigger RAM size. Alright, the touch bar so far is pretty fluid, pretty, good. I like the slidey thing. So the webcam is still a webcam, and for a $1,000 laptop or computer or whatever you want to call it, it's still trash. Okay, the pros of the MacBook Pro. The improved keyboard, that's one. The improved keyboard's a definite plus. I'm really glad they decided to not go with that butterfly stuff. Touch bar. I never knew how much the touch bar really, helps until you use it. It's actually pretty cool. You gotta try it out yourself. Third pro would be the ability to edit on the go using Final Cut. I guess another pro over here would be clout. Cons. One of my biggest complaints is that this thing scratches so easily. So you'd know how tiptoey you gotta be when handling it. You don't want to just be throwing it around. I mean, it's a MacBook. What do you expect? This thing is literally made by the same people who took away headphone jacks from their phones. Don't get it if you don't have the right budget right now. Only get it if you just have $1,000 to spend. So, thanks for watching the video. I hope I explained my first impressions of this thing as best as I can. Go ahead and leave a comment at the bottom of this video and a like. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.